Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is Rony Princivil and I'm the principal broker at Aegis Realty. I'm also a senior real estate specialist. In this channel, we'll address everything that matters to seniors, from Medicare and Social Security to aging at home comfortably, downsizing, and home safety and financial safety. My primary goal as a senior real estate specialist is to help seniors protect, preserve, and leverage their real estate asset to help them finance the next step of their life. This channel is there to inform, inspire, and empower seniors. So, whether you're looking to age at home comfortably, explore new opportunities, or simply get answers to the questions no one seems to explain, here you'll find it. So hit the subscribe button and let's navigate this next chapter of life together.